This is a presentation of a three-dimensional rotating drill hole model that covers all the drilling completed to date on the Philadelphia volcanic-hosted epithermal system. This is a plan map of all the drill holes completed to date so far. We're going to rotate this plan into the subsurface so you can see the subsurface projections of those drill holes. Drill intercepts greater than 0.25 grams per ton are shown in yellow. Drill intercepts greater than 5 grams per ton or high grade are shown in red. We're rotating this model towards the south of the project where the largest, thickest intercepts have been encountered to date. Stop and look at it as we look down. The strike of the deposit has good down dip continuity as well, and you can see the deepest holes we've drilled are open to the south. Continue to rotate it now looking east, and we're looking down the dip. You can see there are gaps in our drilling data, which we will show you how we intend to fill those gaps. Rotating all around to the north end of the property where the mineralization is still present, but much weaker than it is towards the south, although the high grade is present very close to the surface, as you can see in the shallow holes shown in yellow and red. We're now looking westward from the subsurface, and we will look at the projection of the holes that we plan to drill going forward to flesh out this resource. Shown in green are the holes that are either permitted or being permitted that we intend to drill in order to complete a resource calculation. The two pads on the south end of the property that show numerous holes coming off of them are on the BLM property, which is currently going through the environmental assessment process. We expect to have that completed by the end of this year. The holes that you see in the big gap in the center of the property are ready to be drilled as soon as we can secure a drill rig to do that. Overall, this system is a little over 1.5 kilometers long. Mineralization is continuous from surface down to maximum depths of 250 meters and still open down dip, mostly open along strike to the south, with a lot of upside potential to complete a large resource estimate here. The black dots shown on this plan view map are the proposed collar locations to drill all the remaining holes that need to be drilled. Very little surface disturbances involved. Those that are on patented claims are already permitted. Those that are on BLM ground are in the process of being permitted. For further information, you can contact either Mike Stark or Greg Hahn.